Rob Perillo with the latest on the New Year's Eve forecast.
Yeah, it's going to be an active one for sure, especially during the afternoon and early evening hours. Hopefully things quiet down around midnight, but no guarantees in the weather lab, of course. Cloudy skies out there right now. All the heavy rains up toward the Arklatex and back into Texas, and that's where they're going to stay overnight tonight. The story, though, for tomorrow, all of Acadiana in an enhanced region for severe storms, and we are usually in an enhanced region maybe 2 or 3 times every year, once or twice this time of year, and then once or twice maybe in the springtime. We are going to be looking for storms that could be rotating, that might produce isolated tornadoes and perhaps wind damage, primarily during the latter part of tomorrow afternoon and into the early evening hours. But we could see activity get going during the midday hours. Here's the latest high-resolution rapid refresh model here showing quiet conditions through tomorrow morning, and then showers begin to kick up as we head into the mid-morning, early afternoon hours. Some of these cells might rotate a little bit as well, and then the heavier round of showers and storms moving in during the course of the latter part of the afternoon into the early evening hours, with some storms producing damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. I do expect tornado watches for the area for much of tomorrow afternoon into much of tomorrow evening, and by this time tomorrow night, still some lingering showers or storms on this model, but things quieting down as we get closer to that midnight time frame, and then drier air moving in thereafter. Your 24-hour forecast will start off with rain chances pretty low, maybe a break in the cloud first thing in the morning. Mostly cloudy skies dominating. Rain chances pick up to 60% by after the noon hour, 70% tomorrow afternoon, and 90% going into tomorrow evening. And with that enhanced risk, I do expect several tornado watches for southern Louisiana tomorrow afternoon and evening. Coming up, another look at the graph model and take a look at some of those forecast parameters. When and where can we expect perhaps an isolated tornado? We'll have details on that coming up in just a little bit.